Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, promotions, and fun. We talk about planning a vacation, but many may wonder, who has the time and the means to do so? Statistics show that in this fast-paced world, people suffer more from stress and ill health due to a lack of rest and relaxation. The ability to rest, relax, and unwind is becoming more and more demanding, and just the act of getting away from one's normal location and constant situation does a world of good for the body, mind, and spirit. If you're new to the idea of taking vacations, start with baby steps. Pack up your family for the weekend and head away from home. Take advantage of special offers that we share from our worldwide selection of bed and breakfast, boutique hotels, and entry-level all-inclusives. You will discover that short time away from home will ignite your spirit, rekindle your joy, and pull you closer to your loved ones as you spend quality time in a relaxed environment away from the stressors of life. You may ask, what's the cost? How do I afford it? And we're here just for that purpose, to tailor-make a package with an affordable payment plan just for you. January is a great time to begin setting vacation plans. Let's examine your calendar, establish what's an available time, what budget is good for you, and match it with the various deals and steals that are always popping up. And together, we'll begin this journey to a life-changing experience. At Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, there is no getaway too small, no group trip too large for us to make it fun. Call us now. Call us today. We're always ready and able to serve you. 527-4098. That's your vacation getaway number. 527-4098. Listening from North America, 345-347-757-6728. Give us a call now. We'll make it happen. Have a fantastic day. Ciao.